This construction project represents the best of what BayCare in St. Anthony's has to offer. It allows our patients 90 new private beds, which is in response to the needs of the local community. This new environment provides for the greatest healing environment available to our patients and their families, but it also enhances our team members' ability to provide efficient and safe care.
We're on the 4th floor of our new tower. As you can see, we're in one of the patient rooms where our team members are going to be able to provide excellent patient care in a warm, inviting environment for our patients and visitors to receive that excellent patient care.
St. Anthony's expansion will add approximately 143,000 square feet to the hospital's campus. Portions of our project already have taken place. We've moved the cafeteria from the ground floor to the hospital's main lobby to provide easier access for our visitors. We relocated our inpatient pharmacy. Respiratory services and non-invasive cardiology moved into renovated spaces. Each floor will house a different unit, including post-surgery, general medical surgery, inpatient dialysis, and oncology.
Our new 90-bed patient tower continues our legacy and history of service to St. Petersburg and surrounding communities. At St. Anthony's, we're committed to continuing our history of setting the highest standard for clinical service and quality. We've done so for 90 years, and this is our new 90-bed tower. Thank you for joining us.